10 modern habits that are slowly destroying your body. Let's begin. Number 10. The screen light poison. Your phone, laptop, and TV. They've become your second skin. But here's the part no one tells you. Every hour you spend bathing in blue light isn't just tiring your eyes, it's reprogramming your brain and breaking your body's natural rhythm. Blue light suppresses melatonin, your sleep hormone. Without it, your cells can't repair overnight. Your body becomes a machine stuck in on mode, restless, inflamed, and aging in fast forward. And your eyes? The constant glare damages retinal cells, leading to dryness, blurred vision, and tension headaches. But the worst part is mental. Dopamine from screen flickers keeps your nervous system wired, even when you think you're relaxing. Your brain can't tell Netflix from danger. It just knows it's not resting. Number 9. The chair that kills. We call it sitting. The Stoics would have called it slow decay. Humans were built to move, not fold into a chair for 8 hours. Prolonged sitting weakens your glutes, shortens your hip flexors, and crushes circulation. The result? Stiff joints, poor posture, and a heart that forgets how to pump efficiently. Studies even link extended sitting to higher risks of diabetes, depression, and early death. All because your muscles stopped signaling your body to burn fuel. Standing desks and short walks can reset the damage, but ignoring it turns your workstation into a coffin with Wi-Fi. Number 8. The ultra-processed trap. Convenience has a price. Those packaged snacks, instant noodles, and frozen healthy meals are loaded with emulsifiers, seed oils, and synthetic preservatives your body doesn't recognize. They inflame your gut, confuse your hunger signals, and mess with your hormones. Your microbiome, the bacteria that keep you alive, starts dying off. What replaces them are inflammatory strains that send false hunger messages to your brain. You eat more, sleep worse, and crave sugar like oxygen. It's not lack of willpower. It's chemical engineering. Number 7. The caffeine cycle. You wake up tired, drink coffee, crash, and repeat. But here's the paradox. Caffeine doesn't give you energy. It borrows it from the future. By blocking adenosine, the molecule that tells you to rest, caffeine tricks your brain into thinking you're fine. But when it wears off, that debt hits hard. Your adrenal glands, the small shields that manage stress, get overworked. Eventually, they stop responding properly. Chronic fatigue sets in. Even worse, caffeine interferes with deep sleep. So you wake up needing the very thing that's draining you. Number 6. The plastic habit. From water bottles to takeout containers, you're marinating your life in microplastics. They've been found in blood, lungs, even brain tissue. These particles release endocrine disruptors, chemicals that mimic hormones and confuse your system. In men, testosterone drops. In women, estrogen spikes unpredictably. Fertility declines. And your immune system, constantly fighting invisible plastic invaders, starts burning out. Every sip from a plastic bottle is a quiet chemical war your body's losing. Number 5. The sleep sacrifice. You stay up late catching up. One more episode, one more scroll, one more task. But missing even one night of full sleep increases cortisol, raises blood sugar, and impairs your immune defense by nearly 70%. Your brain literally starts cleaning itself slower. Waste proteins like beta amyloid, the same ones linked to Alzheimer's, begin to build up. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's the maintenance your body needs to stay human. Lose it, and you're a machine running on corrosion. Number 4. The noise you don't notice. Traffic, notifications, chatter. Modern life hums like a swarm. But constant background noise raises cortisol and blood pressure, even when you tune it out. Your nervous system never fully relaxes. Over time, this low-level tension disrupts digestion, weakens immunity, and accelerates fatigue. Silence isn't empty. It's medicine. The Stoics knew it. In stillness, the body repairs. In noise, it decays. Number 3. The multitasking myth. You think you're being productive, juggling 5 things at once. You're not. You're splitting your attention so thin, your brain forgets what focus feels like. Multitasking spikes cortisol and dopamine in quick bursts, but those highs fade into exhaustion and brain fog. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for memory and decision-making, starts underperforming. You lose patience, clarity, and creativity. The illusion of efficiency costs you the ability to think deeply. And that's how modern life steals your mind before your body. Number 2. The constant connection. You check your phone like it's oxygen, but every ping triggers a micro-stress response. Dopamine up, cortisol up, heart rate spikes. You don't notice because it's digital, not physical. Yet biologically, your body reacts as if chased by predators all day long. That endless connection keeps you in alert mode. Sleep suffers, digestion slows, and inflammation rises. The irony: the more connected you are online, the more disconnected your body becomes from peace. Number 1. The rush addiction. You wake up and feel behind. Every day is a sprint towards something you can't name. Success, approval, control. But that constant urgency floods your system with stress hormones that corrode arteries, inflame tissues, and age your cells. You call it ambition. Your body calls it survival mode. The Stoics warned against this centuries ago. The man who chases everything loses himself. Slow down, breathe, walk, eat without your phone, rest without guilt. Because in the end, it's not the years that destroy your body. It's the speed at which you try to live them. That's it for today. I'll be sharing more videos like this about modern habits, hidden truths, and how ancient wisdom can help you reclaim your health in a chaotic world.